So we're out jigging today, catching a few lake trout. Got John up here. Looks like we got a pretty decent one hooked up.
Fish, yeah.
When they pull drag like that, it's a pretty good fish. And I don't know how far he is, but
I don't either.
one cool thing is we use the trolling motor here to kind of slip the waves. You can kind of see what the waves are doing, and we do that. And easier to stay on these fish and get them to the boat. First fish of the day. Hadn't seen too many of them on the graph, and we'll see what happens when he comes up. But she's got the rod doubled over pretty good.
Feels pretty heavy.
Yeah. So one cool thing about up here is you can catch these fish a lot of different ways, and jigging these lake trout is pretty fun even in the open water. We do a lot of it, you know, in the winter time, but here in the coming up pretty good now. But she got some weight.
That's a go again now.
I can see her. Here she comes. She is out there.
Nice. Come on.
There she is, coming up. You can see the big white belly on her. But yeah, these are, you know, cold water like this, it is 38 degrees, as you can see. They love to fight in this cold water. Here she comes. See her down there. Yeah, probably a 15-pounder. You can see 130 some feet of water. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that fish.
Oh my.
She's hooked good.
Once again, the tube strikes.
There she comes. That's a nice one, John. Wow. Go, no, there we go.